Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to scan document and save as a PDF in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, without any third party application, it is a very simple method. Please follow these steps and watch till end. And guys, open File app in your iPhone. You can see appear on the screen. And guys, now tap on three dot. You can see now tap on scan document. Now scan the document you want to scan. It is a very simple method, automatic scan. And now tap on it and now crop, and you can crop unnecessary part from the PDF. You can see appear on screen as it. And guys, now tap on save and now tap on, you can see done. Tap on it and guys, now tap on save icon. And now guys, here write the name as you want to save the PDF file. You can see I am entering the office file and simply tap on save. You can see now guys, your PDF file is saving. Now you can see appear on the screen. And guys, now search here, office file. You can see appear on the screen here. This is my office file save. And you can guys scan document without any third party application. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.